Good afternoon, everybody. It's about 3:30, 3:27. It looks like 115 degrees out with some. It's pretty humid out there. Holy shit, 5% humidity, man. It's yeah, it's dry. It's a dry heat. I'm gonna head over right now and see what it is in Death Valley. Let's see how they compare, and then I'm gonna head out back and look at some temperature readings, and I'll show you my plants that are out there trying to survive. Later. All right, here you go. Death Valley right now, 328 or so, same, just plopped over here. 112 with 12% humidity. Their forecast is less. I mean, we're hotter than Death Valley. Later. Heading out back. All right, I'm out here in my little area right now. Hey, that's my Father's Day gift. My pit boss over there isn't working right, so my daughter and her husband got me this for Father's Day. Anyway, let's take a look what the temperature is out here on the slab. 159 degrees. Well, 155. Let's go over here. Hey, how's it going? All right, let's look right here. A little cooler over there. What is out right off the black of that grill? Not much difference. All right, you can see this tomato plant is about dead, and yeah, they were volunteers. Hey, they're making it back here, guys. They really are. Here you go, Rick. Temperature, leaf temperature. Holy shit, 115 degrees. Is that right? Let's see here. This one's in the shade. Let's see what this one does on that leaf right there. Okay, can you see the dot on it there and there? Let's see here. Anyways, let's take a look at them here. I'm probably making everybody's motion sickness. This is just an experiment. I planted these way too late. Crazy black girls. And this is a Blue Dream. Actually, they're starting to get some frost in there. That's incredible. I've grown outside in this temps. Last summer I harvested at 118 degrees, and it was pretty good shit. And I'm sure certainly it would have been better inside. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Whoops, just dropped that shit. Anyways, let's again take a look at that couldn't have been right. That's closer, 122 degrees on the leaf. It's still, shit, 154. All right, let me see, I'll go in and see what this looks like. But let's take one more look here. We've got two Caribbean Dreams right here. This camera might shut off. I can't. All right, hey, I'll show you. I'm inside now in the garage, and this will show you right here why you don't grow in here. 112 degrees right there off that garage door. It's hotter than hell in here also, but hey, the hottest it got last summer inside the what I call my garage was 106, and I had it figured I could do about 20 minutes at that temperature out here with a fan or something. That's all. I do have AC in my tent, but Jesus, it would be I'd be blowing tripping breakers all day long. Hey, have a good one, guys. Enjoy your nice cool weather. All right, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun making it. It's hot out here. It's about 96 degrees in the garage. I got my headphones on. It's pretty chilly out here. All right, later, guys.